Japanese bamboo, or Phylostachys aurea, can be a real thug in the garden. Although it's a clump-forming bamboo, it does tend to run riot and sometimes needs a little tidy up. And now in April, it's the perfect time of year to do it. These are quite young plants and they were only planted last summer, but they're already starting to bulk up and get some nice juicy thick stems. It's those stems that I want to keep and encourage them to grow. So to make this plant look more simple, I'm going to remove all of the whippy growths and allow those new thick stems really to bulk up. Begin by removing any really small, dead or diseased branches. Select between 5 and 10 main stems which you want to keep, and then the rest of these small whippy growths can be pruned out right at the ground level. And the final stage is to remove any of these side growths from those main stems. I'm going to do that to about 3 foot or a metre from the base of the plant. And once you've cleared the stems, you just need to do it to the rest of the row. And it does really make a big difference. And this way, when they're blown about in the breeze, they don't all fall over or ever get too big. Until next time, bye bye.